Cause we is back once again with another reaction video, bruh. And today, I'm about to bring you guys another reaction. Animals versus bikers, man. Dogs, cats, deers, birds, all of that stuff, bro. All them animals. We gonna see what the heck this video is about. And I'm just going by this for the thumbnail, man. Like, it looks crazy, it looks lit. And I figured, why not react to it? So if you guys are new, and if you guys want to see more reactions, if you guys are new, go down, like and subscribe to the channel down below. Let's get it, man. Let's go. And if you guys don't subscribe to the channel, at least hit the like button, man. Dang. Let's get it, bro. Let's go. Animals versus bikers. Let's see what the heck happened. Oh boy. 16
No.
What just happened?
There's a bee. There's a bee. There's a bee. There's a bee. There's a bee.
Dude, why are you freaking out over a bee, dude? I'm thinking a deer about to get hit by a big old 16-wheeler and he's screaming about a bee. Come on, dude.
There's a bee. There's a bee. There's a bee.
Hey. Oh, the only one don't see it.
Hurry the f up, light!
Do it. Oh my god.
Holy sh! Light!
Oh my god.
Holy sh! Was that close, man?
Dude. Oh man, look at that deer go. Oh man, that is funny. That's what I was waiting for. Oh my gosh, look at this deer. The thing, I wonder how fast the thing running right now. We can show how. Yeah, about 15, 20 miles per hour. That's funny. What was that? Oh, it was a bird. It was a bird.
Where's that dog?
Oh my god. Dude, I know that dog gotta be out of breath, bruh. Dude. It's not happening on purpose. Really? So everybody lined up all like that randomly. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. So it's just they don't even know each other. Dude, wait a minute. Let me finish. Dude, that's random. Like the bikers, he said that like this did not happen on purpose. Like all the bikers is random, or because that'd be so weird. Like if nobody know each other, and they're just all right there. Oh, that's why the dog. Let me just finish watching. Like what do you mean? Oh, I guess
Okay, that's not a little bird. Okay, wait. I heard these things get aggressive. I will square up, blood.
I will square up, blood. I will square up my house.
They're making noises. They're making noises.
Leave them ducks alone, man. They're gonna attack you. They gotta protect their young ones.
Blood, you trying to square up? Just get off to the side, blood. Just get off to the side. Let me pass you, blood.
Oh my god.
No, okay. Don't leave your little. Don't leave your dudes.
Just let them go. They're so scared. Dude, why is he still riding? Go the other way.
They're not chickens, I know, but I said chicklets, my dudes.
This guy right here, bro.
No, don't leave them. What are you doing? Oh my God, blood! Did you just, boy, if you don't get your if you don't get your love, don't die.
This guy, man.
I'm just trying to pass. Blood. I'm just trying to pass. Stop running away from your children! What are you doing? Yo, are you guys gonna come back?
Dang, that's kind of sad.
My dude!
It's all your
My
fault.
dude! Are you coming back?
Wait, where's the babies at?
My dude, you coming back? I'm not here to hurt you.
Oh, he ain't right. Dude,
No
is
one
not
fell
right,
down there.
Dude. Wow, this is going wrong, dude. This is going wrong.
Did you hurt your leg? Oh, you're stuck on a thorn. Oh my god, what is the right thing to do here?
Are you serious? Dude.
Y'all gonna come back? I'll leave you for the bird, okay? My dude's still alive. Just checking on him.
This guy is that what they do?
Don't
down
lynch
south?
me. He's
What
good.
happens?
We're all good. I'm gonna hop on my bike. Alright? No need to fight. No
He's not even
fights.
gonna help.
Your dude's alright. He's over here. He's got a little thorn, but he should be good.
I'm saying he was
I have
right.
gloves on though, so maybe I can touch him.
He
Come
ain't trying to come
here.
back.
You two need to come over here and help your child.
Obviously, he's not
I'm
going
about to do some
'cause
more-
he's still
okay,
standing
look.
Right there.
Listen. Okay?
This guy. I'm skipping this
This
part.
man
I'm
is
skipping
over
it.
here.
I'm skipping this part.
Suffering.
I'm so confused on what the heck.
Frick, a bug hit my...
That has got on my nerves.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Like, let me know what y'all thought. Let me know what y'all thought, dude. Like, is that guy in the wrong or is he right? Like, or it doesn't matter. Like, you sitting up here, somehow you ain't gonna help the bird. No, I forgot. That's what writers actually have to. That's what writers actually gotta go through. I forgot about the like roadkill and stuff, especially with freeways. I forgot all about that. Did he run him over? Dude, he ran him over. Oh my god, I never seen a bird get ran over. Oh, that was a cat. He got ran over, didn't it? Dang, he got ran over. That was a cat. I thought it was like a bird. It was flying so low.
Crocking all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine.
He didn't even race. Dude, that dog almost got ran over. That dog almost got ran complete over with. Guys, I'm gonna cap it off right here, man. That actually got on my nerves, like in mid video when that guy scared the geese away or the ducks away, then left the baby ducks all helpless right there after he done scared their mothers away and stuff. But then he's wanted to sit there and act like nothing ever happened and be all confused, still scaring the ducks away from getting over there. But that actually, besides that's gonna do it, man, for this video. Like and subscribe, guys. Go down, like and subscribe. If you guys are new, hit the like button and subscribe right now, man. Show me some support and help me, with me and my channel, man. Go down, like and subscribe if you are new. Okay. And if you guys don't subscribe to the channel, at least hit the like button, man. Dang, let's get it. Let's go, man. That's gonna do it for that reaction. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, bro. Thanks. Let me know what y'all thought too, man. That guy was wrong, bro. I don't care what anybody think or say.